Imagine this. You are working with a client who seems to agree with everything you say during your sessions, yet nothing changes in their behavior. They might nod and smile, but you can't shake the feeling that something isn't right. It's as if they are holding back, secretly resisting the changes they claim to want. Does this sound familiar? If so, you are likely encountering passive aggressive behavior, a common but challenging issue rooted in unresolved childhood experiences with authority figures. Welcome to today's video where we will dive deep into understanding and overcoming passive aggressive behavior using advanced therapeutic techniques. If you are a practicing psychologist looking to enhance your skills, this guide is tailored just for you. Stay tuned till the end to discover how you can integrate these techniques into your practice and explore further training opportunities. Let's begin by understanding what passive aggressive behavior is and why it's crucial to address it effectively. Passive aggressive behavior often stems from unresolved conflicts with authority figures during childhood. This behavior can manifest as indirect resistance, procrastination, or even sabotage, which can be incredibly frustrating for both the therapist and the client. In our session today, I will guide you through a powerful hypnotic process designed to help clients overcome these ingrained behaviors. This technique focuses on addressing and healing the underlying childhood issues that fuel passive aggression. So, here's a step-by-step guide to help your clients overcome passive aggressive behavior effectively. Step 1. Start by guiding your client into a deep hypnotic state. This is to ensure that they reach a state where they can access their unconscious. Step 2. Help your clients imagine a safe and comfortable room where they feel completely at ease. Step 3. Encourage them to connect with their inner child, specifically the part of them that feels uncomfortable with authority figures. Ask them to imagine this child entering the safe room. Step 4. Ask your client to describe their first impressions of the inner child. This helps you understand their current emotional state and how they perceive their childhood self. Step 5. Reassure the inner child, apologize for past disconnection, and ensure them that you are here to protect and support them. Step 6. Introduce your authority figure from the client's past into the safe room. Address any resistance from the inner child by emphasizing that you will protect them. Step 7. Ask your client to describe the child's initial impression of the authority figure. This will help you gauge the child's feelings and how to proceed. Step 8. Encourage the inner child to express any emotions or thoughts they have towards the authority figure. This step is crucial for emotional release and healing. Step 9. Give both the inner child and the authority figure a balloon. These balloons symbolize negative emotions. Imagine the balloons being released into the sky, taking the negative emotions with them. Step 10. Ensure the inner child feels comfortable interacting with the authority figure. If not, repeat the release process until the child is at ease. Step 11. Integrate the inner child with the client's current self. If the authority figure represents a part of the client's personality, integrate all aspects together. Step 12. Check for any other inner children with similar issues and repeat the process as needed. Step 13. Guide your client to visualize the positive outcomes and changes from this process. Help them see how these changes will affect their future behavior and relationships. Step 14. Discuss the learnings from the process and how they can be applied in the client's daily life. Step 15. Gently bring your client out of the hypnotic state, ensuring they feel refreshed and positive. Now that you have a comprehensive guide to overcome passive aggressive behavior, you can start integrating these techniques into your practice. To further enhance your skills and knowledge, consider exploring the Cognitive Hypnotic Psychotherapy Diploma. This advanced training will equip you with the tools to address passive-aggressive behavior and other complex issues using an integrated therapeutic approach. Click the link to learn more about Cognitive Hypnotic Psychotherapy Diploma and how it can elevate your practice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insights and advanced techniques in psychotherapy. Thank you for watching. I will see you in